Alright, dito muna tayo sa mundo ng airsoft at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng suppressor or mas kilala bilang silencer. So let's do it. Alright, may sobra tayong engineering plastic dito sa machine shop. So gawin natin itong airsoft suppressor or silencer. After isa lang sa lit machine, ito na siya. At ito na yung finished product. At wala siyang thread kung makikita ninyo. Just attach it and ready to play, or known as desalpak. So next is test fit. Make sure it's not too loose or too tight. Pag sobrang higpit naman, baka ma-damage yung flash hider at outer barrel ng PTW ko. Next step is spray paint. If gets too loose while in use, I'll just add some tape. Now for a new paint job, piturahan natin ng itim at oops, nakalimutan ko maglagay ng primer, pero okay lang yan. Pag nag fade away or nabakpak yung pintura, piturahan na natin ng primer. So ito na, the finished product and ready to play. And by the way, here is my Glock 19. Right, nandito tayo sa Camp CME para i-test ang ating airsoft suppressor. Now for the test, ay maganda naman at hindi naman affected yung accuracy niya. Mas maganda kung meron tong extended inner barrel or a better range. So FPS currently 360 FPS at point blank. So yun lang po. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.